looking out on the morning rain. I used to feel so uninspired till the day I met you. Life was so unkind. Your love was my peace of mind. All right. Okay. Are you ready for this? Yeah, I think so. What are we gonna do it on? I thought we'd talk about the 7 grandfather teachings. Oh yeah, okay. Do you want me to do the All right, take 2. Hey everybody, welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha, and I'm here today with Nana BOOZHOO. So please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Hey everybody, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Nibwaakaawin. Wisdom. Kitchimanadu. Grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. To change the things I cannot accept. And the nibwaakaawin. To know the difference. Wisdom. Nibwaakaawin. And you know, that's one of the, what they call it, the Ojibwe, one of the 7 Ojibwe values, nibwaakaawin and wisdom. They're the grandfather teachings. And one of these days, I'm going to do a video just on that. Maybe I should do that today? Nah. Or you know what we could do? Maybe every day we'll talk about one Anishinaabe value. And today it's nibwaakaawin. Wisdom. Yeah. I don't know. You got anything you want to add to this? Not really. Well, there you have it. Nibwaakaawin. Wisdom. And maybe I'll talk more about this later. Alright. You have been watching BOOZHOO! Nana BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. And I am Nana BOOZHOO. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hoa. Hey, pretty good. Yeah. See you later, everyone. Gigawabamin. Yakina. What do you think of that?